All right, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the United Church of Christ in Robertsonia. Checking out Walter's latest itineration of his twin-engine Jeep. Check these out. These are two diesels. This is all new, but still with the twin power. He added wheels and a roll bar, but twin diesels. Unbelievable. Let's find out some more information, shall we? All right, Walter, so you switched over to diesels. Why did you switch from gas to diesel?
Well, as I usually say, to do something different.
And congratulations, you do it brilliantly.
And I was considering using used motor oil as fuel.
Uh-huh.
And the diesels are simpler.
It's very true.
No carburetor, fuel injected, and you don't see it that often. So
That's for sure. Now these are Chinese Amazon
right,
twin diesels.
3-horse each,
Yeah.
with centrifugal clutches like what you would find on a go-kart.
Mm-hmm.
Modified to engage at a lower RPM because you don't have the RPM range
Right.
with the diesels as much as you do with gas. So
Yeah.
as soon as you give it gas, it's engaged and going. So
Now, what's the drivability? What's the difference between
Well,
the diesel and the
I put
gas?
a 4-to-1 reduction in, so it's more geared for crawling than speed. So
Okay. That is absolutely remarkable. Do you have electric start or you have to pull start each
they're
one?
pull start.
Oh.
Simpler. Keep it
Yeah.
simple.
I like that,
Right.
Walter. I like
I
that.
don't have to worry about battery. I don't have to worry about starter.
Yeah,
Yeah, keep it in simple.
that's perfect. That is perfect.
Yeah, and no spark plug either, right? Like gas. So it's really simple. I won't be changing spark plugs anymore.
No, nor the points.
Right.
So that is great. That is great. The only thing you have to do is keep bugging your neighbors for their drain motor oil.
That's right. Got to keep that flowing.
Jeez, that is brilliant. That is absolutely brilliant. What's the best result? What's the most surprising thing you found on your conversion?
The most surprising thing, I don't know. I mean, I just like the way it sounds, I guess. It's definitely different than gas. You know, the gas one sounded more like a small engine, but these sound like a diesel. It's just totally different
That's great.
than the gas.
You know, you're going to have to get one of those big air horns.
Oh, there you go. That's one thing I'm lacking. I do not have, you're right. I've got lights working now, but I do not have a horn.
Gotta
Good
get
point.
the big diesel horn.
Good point.
Wait a minute, you still have the single engine Jeep.
Jeep, yep, the first one that I built.
Very good. And that doesn't have the turbo anymore.
Nope. Took
How
that
many
off.
Jeeps do you have?
Just 2.
Okay.
How many do I need?
I don't know. How many Jeeps? Yeah. This is pretty remarkable. Pretty remarkable. And I like the way I just have to get that story in that you mounted the spare tires so you could get the 2 Jeeps onto the trailer.
My inadequate trailer. It should actually be another, probably 4 feet longer to make it what it should be, but we make it work.
That's it.
Absolutely.
That's it. Hey, you know, you're a bit of an inventive character here, so
Well, character is right.
yes, yes.
We'll leave the inventive part for interpretation.
Oh, please, I look under the hood and I see it. That's brilliant. That is absolutely brilliant. And now, if I see my old motor oil stolen, I
There
know
you
exactly
go.
where it went.
Yep. Yep.
So-
That's untraceable, right?
Yes.
You can't trace it.
No.
Get rid of the original container. It's gone.
Oh, I won't tell if you won't tell.
Okay, perfect.
Sounds good. This is wonderful, Walter. Thank you very much. I'll
Yep.
see you at the next show.
Absolutely. See you, Pam.
You got it.